Hey guys, I'm set to go out. Look at my outfit. The shoes, I don't know you can see them clearly. Yes, now that is it. But I'll not forget a jacket. And now, hey, I want to talk about something. I'm taking my breakfast. This is my breakfast today. Now, Kenyans, I'm going to talk about these people, this category of people of just taken kids to school. How are you feeling? Manze, inflation is beating us left, right and center. Like, hakuna pesa. There's no money. Now, I'm not going to stay in this house. Can you advise me one presidential candidate I'll go and see? I just go and see him, talk to him like, hey, please, don't lose your vote. I'm your vote. Like, whoever wants to listen to me, I'm your vote. Like, don't lose your vote. Nibaye tu unga. Nibaye tu unga at least. By the time August 9th ifike, nisikuwe nimeenda. Like, there's no food, there's no money. Like, and you guys, you want us to vote for you. Iyo time ikifika, what if hatutafika? Mtakuwa mmepoteza kura. Like, I'm your vote. Don't lose me. Buy me unga. Give me school fees. Like, kids have gone to school after 1 week. After 1 week, guys. After 1 week. We are in the second term now. Mimi, I'm not going to stay here and die. I'm going out. This Kenyan winter will not finish me. By the way, we end winter. Like, we have winter in Kenya, Nairobi. Imagine. I'm not lying. I'm not lying, guys. Like, you guys from America now, can you allow us to use man? Because we have winter in Nairobi, Kenya. Now we can go like, hey man, how you doing? Yo. Because we believe those guys from there who experience winter, they're the only ones who are allowed to say, to use men. Now as men, men, I'm just going to take my breakfast right here. Don't mind. I normally don't eat like this. I eat. But today, this is the only thing I can find in my household. I'm going out. Like, not out. I'm going to hustle. I'm going to look for money. But I'm going to look for one presidential candidate. Wajakoya, Ruto, Baba. Those are the only ones at least I know. Nani atanisikiza? Like, nani anaweza nisikiza nibaye unga anilipe school fees? Because we cannot continue like this. So no, I just go. Then I'll see you what I'll tell you what I met out there. Like, nilipatana na nani, nilipatana na nini. Lakini sitaki kupatana na marafiki zangu. Like, most of my friends were calling me before schools open. Hello, uko na school fees moja unisaidie? Man, sina hata moja. How can I give you one? I don't have even one. We are here suffering. Like, most of, okay, I don't know. Some guys out there living large. Like, hey, me, inflation is beating me. Tufanye nini wase? Tufanye nini? Turudi nyumbani tulime sisi wote ndio tupate chakula. Tuishi maisha ya kitambo. Because this life is not taking us well. It's not taking us well. We are going somewhere bad. I don't know. I don't know what we are going to do. But Let me get out and then I'll tell you. Hey people, I just went to a supermarket near me to look for a washing machine. Not that I don't have, maybe the one I had imeharibika, so I had to sample to get different brands, the ones which are new models, and to know which one can do better and last long. So I got a few, and then now, because I'll have to go back again to get now when I have the money to get now the machine. But now, hey, my friends, things are so high. Like every stuffs have just gone so high. Hey, I can remember last time I was looking at these things, they were affordable, but right now everything is so high. Like you cannot imagine how life is really flowing. It's flying so fast. But what do we do? Life has to go on, and now I have to find something. Nimechoka na mama fua. I have to find this thing now. So guys, I did a few errands, and now someone's birthday is around the corner. This Spider-Man person, for the love of superheroes, now you'll have a few friends over. I had to buy these few items of Spider-Man. Like this is a pack of 10, the other one also. As I said, inflation is high, so we are doing something small. But I didn't show you where I bought this stuff. But next time I'll show you, manze. You have to go to River Road to find cheaper stuffs there. Although they are the same as the supermarket ones. But now, according to your pocket, you have to look for somewhere you can find something cheaper which you can afford. Now this is what I did I bought for my baby boy. He's turning 5, hoping he's going to have a super birthday, and I hope you wish him a happy birthday.